Hello everyone. Today we will continue with our last topic, equilibrium price determination. We have discussed in our last topic about demand and supply and market supply and market demand schedule and demand curve and supply curve, etc. Now we will study change in market conditions. There are two conditions, change in demand or supply, and second, simultaneous change in demand and supply. First, change in demand or supply. Effect of increase or decrease in demand, that will be called demand change. Supply remains the same. There is no change in the supply. Effect of increase or decrease in supply, supply changes, demand remains the same. Simultaneous change in demand and supply, demand increase, supply increase, demand increase, supply decrease, demand decrease, supply increase. Change in market price. There are four laws of supply and demand. First, an increase in demand causes an increase in both the equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity. Second, a decrease in demand causes a decrease in both equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity. Third, an increase in supply causes a decrease in the equilibrium price and an increase in the equilibrium quantity. And fourth, a decrease in supply causes an increase in the equilibrium price and a decrease in the equilibrium quantity. Both four conditions are shown in these graph, panel C, D, A, B. You can see quantity is shown on demand on x-axis and price is shown in y-axis, and how demand and supply curve shifts is shown in these graphs. Now we take a case study. People come to believe that eating apple is good for them. The more apple they eat, the more likely they are to stay well. What is the effect on the market of apples? Generally, people believe that an apple a day keeps doctor away. So they think the more apple they eat, the more likely they are to stay well. So question is about effect on the market for apples. So on x-axis apple market is shown and on y-axis price is shown. Red curve is showing demand and the black curve, which is shifting downward to upward, it is supply curve. And where the both demand and supply curve intersect each other, that will be the equilibrium point of apple market price. There is a change in preference that affects demand. Here's the process. Apple market, when quantity price is P0, then quantity demanded for apple is Q0. When price increase P1, quantity demanded also increase from Q0 to Q1, and demand curve shift from D to D1, new demand. Demand increase, so price and quantity are higher. So new equilibrium is set. Case study 2. MSU agriculture scientists develop a new strain of corn that increase yield by about 15%. What is the effect of the improvement in technology on the market of for corn? So P0, when the price of corn is P0, then quantity demanded equal to Q0, and supply and demand curve intersect each other. There will be the equilibrium of price. The improvement change supply, creating an excess supply of corn. Here's the process. Now, due to technology, there will be more supply, and we know when supply increase, price decrease. Here we will try to understand how this process. When price is P0, then quantity demanded of corn is Q0. When price is P1, due to supply has increased, so price will be decreased. So when price is P1, quantity demanded will be Q1, and the demand curve shift from red to white. You can see in the graph, demand curve shift towards x-axis, and a new equilibrium of price will be P1. Conclusion: price change in response to the existence of excess demand or excess supply. Change in demand and change in supply lead to change in equilibrium price and quantities. Price determination: demand, cost, competition, life cycle, scale changes, government, etc. Thank you so much for watching this PPT.